Hey guys, so I have a huge test tomorrow, like huge. And it's really hard, and I'm having trouble studying because it's history, and I really don't understand how people are supposed to remember history. It's my worst subject, and I really don't have time to make this video. I'm taking like literally a minute to just make this video and upload it straight to YouTube because I don't really have a camera either, so I can't make my video this week, and I'm really sorry. But I just wanted to make this video, and the theme and challenge, or I guess it's just like next week is, or this week I guess, is hair tutorials. It can be spring and summer tutorials, or it can just be things that you like to do with your hair. I'm really sorry that I can't make my video this week. I was kind of hoping that I would not be studying all day today, but I am. So yeah, I hope you guys. Oh, we hit 200 subscribers, so thank you guys, to all you guys. That's awesome. Love you guys. Sorry. Hope you had an awesome Saturday. We'll have an awesome continuation of a weekend or whatever's going on in your life right now. So yeah, bye.